Welcome to this video. I'm here going to teach you how to arrange numbers in a required order. These names were extracted from a database of an organization, and they were required to rearrange these names rather in a separate order. And what order is that? The last name should come first, which is the surname in uppercase. So this is what my friend was doing. Type this last name, take a comma, and the other names come in lowercase. So he typed this and his middle name. Okay, then hit enter. Now he moves straight to the next one and also type the surname in uppercase, take a comma, and type the other name. So it's going to take a very long time. Now, what are you supposed to do? So let me take this out. I'm going to use two functions, the test before and test after. So I'm going to say extract the test in this place after a space. Now, if I end here, it's going to take Bamidele John, but I just want only John. So I'm going to make adjustment for that by taking out one space. And I take a comma. I close the bracket. Now, after I close the bracket, I'm told there should be a comma after that name. So I'm going to say and a comma. I could have used concatenate as well for those of us who know how to do test join. Or I could have used test join as well. Now I take a comma and I'm going to create a space. So you know how to enter a space, I do a space this way. And then the next thing, I'm going to take the last two names, but this time they are going to be in lowercase. So I take the function proper, open a bracket, I'm going to say test before. So I'm taking the test, now the test before the space. So I'm going to take space. Now we also know that there are instances where some names have two names before the surname. So I'm also going to adjust for that by taking out one. And then I close my bracket. Maybe close it twice. If you don't close it, that's not a problem. And I hit my enter key. So this is what I will do. Why am I having this here? This should be a comma here. Okay, I need to take out that comma. What is wrong here? Is that what's okay? I'm seeing one comma, one double star that is not supposed to be there. Now this and space. Okay, I think I've seen that. Okay, fine. So all I need is come here and then click down. So my work is done. Now, what function did I use? Now, let me extract the function so we can view it well together. I have used this function. This is the function I have used. Let me bring out this one here and make it bolder. Very easy to understand. So this is how we should do it. Thank you very much for listening. If you love this video, give it a thumb up. Bye-bye.